morning. My breakfast for today. This is called kobs in Saudi Arabia. And bowl with olive oil and coffee. And of course I have one orange. My breakfast. Oh, my food. Hello, let's eat, guys. It's make like that, so can put like that. I put some olive oil. It's yummy. I make hot, but because I didn't put inside the plastic. My hair disturbed me. Shuf, it's Arabic. And coffee. In the morning, guys, I drink coffee 2 times. First time when I wake up in the morning. Then the second coffee when I eat my breakfast with coffee also. And in one day I drink coffee 3 times. The last is in the evening before I sleep. This is Arabic food. Bowl and cubes. Actually, the bowl is last Saturday. It's already 4 days. I don't want to throw because I don't want to waste the food. So I decided I want to eat this today. And the leftover I throw already. Because today the last day of cook. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, no cook already. We didn't eat here. So this one will spoil already. So I need to finish all or two. Sorry, my phone. I didn't dye my hair because it's still wet. Small left. Already dry. This one, when you eat, you must put inside the plastic so it not become dry. It's time to eat the orange. I slice already. Emo color. And the orange have a bit sour, and a bit sweet and sour. Actually, I didn't finish the bowl because it's a lot. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment down there and subscribe. Thank you.